welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. In today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you a natural homemade like spray, face spray that you're gonna just spray all over your beautiful face, and it's gonna help you to remove wrinkles. It's gonna help you to fade dark spots. It's just gonna help you to renew your skin. Okay, the mixture is what you are gonna be seeing on in this video. Yeah, all right, so if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and share the video. And now let's dive into this video. To remove some roughness and dryness and pimples, blemishes, we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Because aloe vera contains helpful plant compounds. It reduces dental plaque, it helps to treat cancer sore, reduces constipation, and it also accelerates the healing of bones. It also contains antioxidant and antibacterial property that helps to revise your dull, dry, and irritated skin. We're also going to be making use of honey. Honey is a skin-saving property that contains a natural antibacterial in it, and it is great for acne treatment and prevention. It is great in slowing down the aging process of the skin, and it also a complexion boost. It's a great moisturizer. It soothes the skin, and it also creates a glow, reversing the age-related problem. And now we're going to be making use of lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and it contains vitamin E that helps to brighten up the skin. It therefore helps to leave the skin youthful. It fights acne. It also helps to lighten up the skin. The vitamin C in lemon are great antioxidants for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production that helps to maintain an even and a younger skin. We're also going to be making use of coconut oil. Now this is a great hydrating property that helps to improve the skin elasticity, and it also contains vitamin E and vitamin A, which helps to slow down the aging process of the skin, and it may help to reduce the damages from free radicals and sunburn. So we're going to be using just a little piece of this aloe vera, and just this quantity is going to go a long way. So we're going to prepare it and extract or remove the peel. When you do it this way, it's simple. So now I have to cut it in bits, and then would have to blend it without any water. Okay, so since it's actually not properly blended and smooth, I would have to sieve it. Okay, since we're going to be using this as a spray. Okay, so now we have a very smooth aloe vera. We're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of this honey into the aloe vera. Now we're going to be putting in lemon. So I'm going to be cutting in this lemon. So I'll have to sieve it out, okay, so that there won't be any particles. Now we're going to be putting in about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which is what I just did. Mixing all this up. Okay guys, so you would have to give it a little time for it to mix very well. Alright, so it's properly mixed, and now we're just going to turn it into a jar, so we can always have it to spray it on the face. So now we're going to turn this in, and we're still going to be left with just a little, so I can show you the 2 ways in which you are going to use this. Okay, now for this particular one, you can also dilute it, okay, with a little bit of water because of the lemon. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring in just a little bit of water in it, and that's okay. And then you shake it. Now spray this every day. Spray this every day for the space of 1 week, and let me know how your skin changes. This is how it divides. You can see that. Really good. Okay, now let me show you how you're going to do that. What you do is that you're going to shake it. Now let me tell you guys, honey is really good. If you're having any challenges on your skin, honey would help you so much. Okay, this is actually the first step that you're going to use in spraying this. Now, even if you don't have a container like this, okay, you can actually just rub it over your face. Okay, that's just the whole essence. You actually rub it over your face, and oops, man, your skin is gonna glow. All right, so now let me show you the second step that you're going to use. Now, this is the remnants that I left in on this bowl. Now I'm going to use, you're going to actually need to use a face pad, and then you're going to dip this into this treatments, this honey treatments, and then let me show you that. I'm going to bend this into 2 basically, and I've actually dipped the side of it. So I'm going to just apply it this way. Now I would have to take this and dab it all through. Or rather, you can actually just spray it on. Remember, this one is diluted because you're going to spray it directly onto your skin, but this particular one is not diluted. So the difference is actually that this one you can spray much, but this one you just put a little because it is actually not diluted with water. Okay, so and just go. And then I would have to put it on my forehead. spray this on it. Yeah. You can see the difference. The difference with the undiluted one is more colored than this one that is diluted. I spread this on here. It's not as colored as here. So it therefore means that this works directly, and when you spray it, when you apply it with this, you would have to hold it on for like 3 to 5 minutes. But this one, you can hold it till the tissue paper or the face pad just dries, and it tightens up your skin really good. But of course, initially when you apply this, you're going to be having some tingling feeling. Okay, yeah, those tingling feeling is as a result of you applying something additional to your face. Okay, but it's gonna be really wonderful when it's dry. Okay, so now you hold it for about 10 to 20 minutes till it dries, and when it dries, you can just um um peel it off, wash your face with a toilet soap, and then you apply your very mild moisturizer, and you are going to be loving how this is going to be, like seriously. Okay, all right guys, so that's it. You're just gonna spray. You can spray it every morning and every evening, and your skin is going to glow. It's gonna it's just going to be so smooth. It's going to be so plump, and fine lines and wrinkles will find its way off your skin. Yeah guys, that's it. But you have to be consistent. That's it. That's one of the good thing using natural home remedy. No side effects, but you have to be consistent in it. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and cheers guys.